At CN Seamless, we're always working on improving the software. And when we have an update package ready for you, you're going to get an email that contains the update file as well as instructions on how to do it. This video will show you how to do it from your phone or your computer. The steps I'm going to show on my computer here will also work on your phone or any other computer device. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull up the email that you received from us. Go ahead and click on this update link to download the update file. The next thing you're going to want to do is go over to your browser and connect your computer or your phone to the machine's Wi-Fi connection. So this machine right here is number 58. So I'm going to click on my Wi-Fi settings to connect to the machine. Just like that. Once you're connected, you're going to want to go to the update page. This is a website hosted by the machine. It's not on the internet. So you're going to connect directly to the machine. There's going to be a link in the email, but you can also type it out like I'm about to do now. Once you're on this page, unless you have an Ethernet connection, you're going to see this no connection right here. If you do have an internet connection while you're also connected to the machine's Wi-Fi, you can just go ahead and click the big red button in the middle that's Update Now. That's going to pull the update from the internet and install it automatically without having to do the manual update. However, if you aren't also connected to the internet, you're going to want to click this manual update button. So click that, and then you're going to see in your downloads folder on your computer the Mach command and then whatever the version that you're updating to is. So we're going to click on that, select it, and once we're done, we can click Update Now. This is going to upload that file to the machine and run the update. Once it's started, you're going to see a bunch of gibberish start printing out on the screen. And then when it's done, it'll say update complete. On the machine side, once it's done with the update, you're also going to see this red button flash red on the back of the machine. Since the machine starts up in e-stop, that'll be your signal that it's finished updating and has restarted the machine successfully. Back in the computer, we can see that we have printed out all the text of what it's doing on the machine itself, and it has updated the machine successfully, and it's restarting now. So we should see this red button start to flash here in a few seconds, just like that. Once you see that, you're going to want to go back to your tablet, connect to the machine like normal, reset the e-stop, get out of that, then go over to your settings panel and make sure that the version under current system information is the same as the version information that we sent in the email. Now your machine is updated and you should have all the new features that we've added in that update. If you haven't received a software update from us in a while, you're going to want to make sure that you're actually on the software update mailing list. To do that, go ahead and get back on the internet, go to your browser, and go to cnseamless.com/software. Once you go there, there's going to be a form like this that you can add your email and phone number so that we know that you are the end user of the machine or whoever will be doing the update. That way you can stay up to date and have all the latest features.